Hello. Today we are going to be doing a little talk through makeup tutorial. You're going to be using this palette, Anastasia Beverly Hills. I think this was a limited edition, so I don't think that you can buy it anymore. But if you do have it, it's gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful. We love it. And let's just hop right into this. Okay. Gonna zoom you in just a little bit. We are going to be taking Isabel, this shape, and we're just gonna be throwing it right in our crease. Now that we have that on, I'm going to be dipping into Violetta, this one. Same brush, just a little flippy brush. We're gonna be deepening up the crease with this, keeping it more closer to the crease and not so blown out. I'm going to be taking NYC, that shade, and using my finger, and I'm going to pack it onto the lid. And then I'm going to take another brush, another little fluffy brush. I'm going to be dipping into NYC, and then just putting it into the crease just to make everything blend a little nicer. Alright, now I'm going to be taking this little guy. I'm going to be dipping back into Isabel, the first shade, this one, and just going to be putting that on the lower lash line. And then taking a denser packer brush, almost, and buffing it out. And use the same tiny little brush, dip into Violetta, that second shade we used, and adding that. We're going to be doing some eyeliner. Alright, we're going to do the old trick. I'm just using the black shade in the Morphe Extra Free Star palette and a angled brush, and just going in, tapping that in the waterline. A mascara and eyelashes, and that's basically it. I'll be back. This is the finished look. I decided that I'm going to add these cute little gems, these little black ones, just for like a little something something, you know what I mean? Alright, and this is it. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.